Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 portable multimeter tester. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, HP 770D Digital Multimeter. Specifications. Brand name, Hold Peak. Model number, HP 770D. Operating mode, Auto Range. Measuring capacitance range, 9.999 NF to 99.99 MF. Operating temperature, -20 to 10,000 degrees Celsius. DIY supplies, electrical. Display type, digital display. Frequency, 9.99 Hz to 9.999 MHz. Dimensions, 195 by 88 by 40 millimeters. Product number 2, Unity UT161B UT161E UT161D Smart Digital Multimeter. Specifications. Brand name, Unity. Model number, UT161B UT161D UT161E. Measuring capacitance range, 60 NF to 60 MF. Operating temperature, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. DIY supplies, electrical. DC current, 10 amperes. DC voltage, 1000 volts. Display type, digital display. AC voltage, 6 volts to 1000 volts. Duty cycle, 0.1% to 99.9%. Bandwidth, 40 Hz to 500 Hz. Product number 1, Owen B41T Plus Bluetooth Digital Multimeter. Specifications. Brand name, Owen. Model number, B41T Plus. Measuring capacitance range, 22 NF to 220 MF. DIY supplies, electrical. Measuring resistance range, 220 ohms to 220 ohms. DC current, 220 μA to 20.00 amperes. AC current, 220 μA to 20.00 amperes. DC voltage, 220 MV to 1000 volts. Display type, digital display. AC voltage, 220 MV to 750 volts.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.